Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll learn how to fetch all employee records from the database using Spring Data JPA. It's super simple and clean. Let's get started. Now, we're going to fetch all employee records inside our fetchEmployees method. Earlier, if you remember, this method was doing pagination and applying dynamic filters using JDBC and named parameter JDBC template. But for now, we'll keep things simple. We won't apply any filters or pagination, just return all records using Spring Data JPA. JPA repository provides a built-in method called findAll. And it does exactly what it sounds like. It fetches all records from the database table associated with your entity. So, just one line, employee JPA repository.findAll, and you get the complete list of employees. Now just return the response from this method. Alright, let's start the application. My database currently has 61 employee records. Alright, now let's hit the API to fetch all records using the findAll method. We got a total of 61 employee records in the response. But if you notice, the total pages value looks incorrect. Don't worry about that for now, because we haven't added pagination handling yet. We'll cover that in upcoming videos. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. In the next one, we'll learn how to apply sorting when fetching records using Spring Data JPA. Make sure to subscribe, hit like, comment your thoughts, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out. See you in the next video.